तो आज का दिन मैं साइकिलिंग टूर पे जाऊंगी। 4 घंटा टूर है और सारे प्लेसेस कवर करेंगे।
सब रॉयल एरिया, टेम्पल, पैलेस, ओल्ड मार्केट,
हाँ।
एंशिएंट बाजार।
Good morning. So it's day 2 in Hampi, and right now I am having breakfast at my homestay itself. तो आज का दिन मैं साइकिलिंग टूर पे जाऊंगी, तो और साथ में एक गाइड भी होता है और सब साइकिल पे होते हैं, तो वो आपको अलग अलग जगह लेके जाता है, घुमाता है एंड ऑल्सो टेल्स अबाउट द हिस्ट्री ऑफ द प्लेस। जैसे ही आप टेम्पल के पास एंटर करोगे, वहाँ पे बहुत सारे होम स्टेज हैं। वहाँ पे ऑप्शन बहुत है, लेकिन एवरीथिंग इज़ वेरी एक्सपेंसिव है। लाइक मैं 1400 रुपीज़ पे कर रही हूँ फॉर अ सिंगल रूम, एंड दैट ऑल्सो डजेंट हैव अ अटैच्ड वॉशरूम बट विद ब्रेकफास्ट इंक्लूडेड। सो 1400 थोड़ा ज़्यादा है कंसिडरिंग दैट द रूम बहुत ही बेसिक है और इसमें एंड इट्स अ नॉन AC रूम। बट यहाँ पे यही प्राइस है एंड इट्स पीक सीजन ईयर, सो प्राइसेस थोड़े ज़्यादा है। आई थिंक ऑफ सीजन में थोड़ा कम ही होगा डेफिनेटली। तो आई एम गोइंग फॉर माई साइकिल टूर एंड ये मेरे गाइड है कृष्णा, जो हमको लेके जाएंगे। हमारे कितने लोग हैं ग्रुप में?
8 लोग हैं।
8 लोग, तो टोटल 8 पीपल हैं हम लोग ग्रुप में जाएंगे। और कितने घंटे का टूर है?
ये 4 घंटा टूर है।
4 घंटा टूर है और सारे प्लेसेस कवर करेंगे।
सब रॉयल एरिया, टेम्पल, पैलेस, ओल्ड मार्केट,
हाँ।
एंशिएंट बाजार,
सभी घूमेंगे। और क्या प्राइस बताया आपने?
ये
450 रुपीज़ में आपको एक साइकिल मिलेगा और एक गाइड। और
भी।
4 घंटे का टूर है। इसमें हम हम्पी के सारे प्लेसेस घूमेंगे और ये हमको उनके हिस्ट्री के बारे में भी बताएंगे।
हम्पी का हिस्ट्री, आर्किटेक्चर,
या
सभी।
आई होप इट बी गुड। यहाँ से निकलेंगे और 4 घंटे का टूर है। 450 रुपीज़। आई एम श्योर इट शुड बी गुड। और आई थिंक हम लोग 7-8 लोग हैं, तो मज़ा आएगा।
The pig is the Vishnu third incarnation. Muslims don't like. When these Islam people came here, they see the pig inside they don't like. That's what this temple is saying. When we go outside, completely the ruins. So this tower is built 1422, and the small tower is built 1500 time, and that tower is built 1528. That is a different style. You see the middle look like a mummy face. Like a very close up middle, you can see that mummy face look like that. That is the north entrance. People, when Hindus who come to the temple, it's like a traditional dress. If you go Tamil Nadu, pants is be not allowed. If you go Tamil Nadu some temple, they are not allowed like a western dress. They should be cultural dress to go inside the temple. The east entrance, there is a water canal. They should feet wash. Their feet wash. When that's after the feet wash, if you go to the temple, you break the coconut. South entrance, which is the god. North entrance should come out. People today we are going same entrance, we come back same entrance. That's wrong. After the visit the god, we don't show back for the god. It's a Hindu religion. But this temple one day 3 time prayer, morning 6:30, 12 o'clock. 8 and evening 6:30. 3 times, 3 major god inside. In one place, you don't see 3 major god in India. Only in Hampi. Brahma, Shiva, Vishnu is there. That's why the 3 head pull here. Come, I show you.
But did I get it correctly that these 2 temples were built after the Muslim came?
No. This is the oldest temple in Hampi.
Wait, but you said these 2 parts were built later.
Yeah, because the main temple in the Virupaksha temple inside, that is started by 6th century.
Yes.
1400 years old. After 6th century is 11.
Yeah.
After 11 is a 13. After 13 is a 14. Like step by step, one by one they build this temple. This not take one time. Sometimes is gap 200 days, 300 days gap. 6 to century started. They gap by maybe 3 to 300 years time. Next again 11. After 11, 13. After 13, 14. 14 when the kingdom start Hampi, great empire, They are complete. They reach complete their temples. Yes, for complete this one. That take 6 to 16,000 years time to build this temple. In Hampi, it is the oldest one. Sir, if you go in India, the most are Shiva temple. In front of Shiva temple, you can see the one head bull used to be, but this is a three head bull. Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. Past, present, future. Hindu principle. One time statue broke, we not worship. Because we can see the face is broke. No one damage this one. Village people, they take the coconut, they break it. The natural broke. That's why we keep outside. This bull, it was inside the temple. Because Shiva transport with the bull. Vishnu transport with the eagle. Brahma with the swan. You know Ganesha? He's no vehicle. You know anybody?
Mouse.
That
Rat,
mouse.
rat.
Small. I tell the Ganesha story, why is elephant face? But you can see the Ganesh here. She was the first son, second son. But here, elephant breaking the tree. And here, king dancing, the woman, musician, the drum and music. And the first son here, you see the carpet. She was the first son. Sir, in 1885, the British people, I like British people rule our country. Sorry. They are most looted valuable things in India. Not you, your people. Silk, sold, diamonds, they are looted in India. When they are ruled in the 18th century. That time the British people supported. The stone is a crack. You say that Durban, Middlesbrough, England. Right? You know East India Company. Now it's closed, is open now. I think it's heard, but in the East India Company is closed. You know one Anna? The coin started in India, one Anna. They have old coins. 1885, they are British people, they have a big coins, like a 20 gram, 15 gram for the metal coins. I'm showing one of the shop there, you can see them. So this is Islamic architecture, this one. That's why they not enter here. This is the Hampi Bazaar Open Trade Center from the 16th century. What I'm selling, what I'm saying in 16th and 15th century Open Trade Center, people are selling gold, diamond, jewelry, pearls and precious stone. They sell by liter. But now today is empty bazaar. If you came here 15th century, we can see like a diamond bazaar. But you come latest. So 2018. If you are visiting 15th century, you will see the really Hampi. Alright, come. Please come outlook here. Your house entrance door, how many feet? Your door. Come there. Your apartment, your house, how many feet door? Your doors.
8.
8 and 9, 7. Almost in India, all the doors we keep 7 feet. That's for like that. But this is the 27 feet height. The big tree they made by 4 pieces. But this tower is without basement. This structure, this without basement they are built. Because of this complete temple, this is a stone area. We cannot make foundation. Without basement they are built. Very knowledgeable people. I'm explaining easy. 20 years time, 5,000. 20 years time, these people take time and patience to work, and also they keep the figures to work. Look like new, This is not a new one. Old one. Last year Indian government, they did organic paint. Because why they are painted, some figures are go cracks. That's the protection reason they make. This is a staircase to climb here. This is a sorry. You see this one? Climbing. So anybody want please? You want to climb? No. Sorry, I don't have a key. The lock. Government, when I start tour guide 97, that time I speaking little English. I take to the clients, taking up. 2001, government stopped. Why they stop? People climb, write the names. That's why it's not only Hampi. Everywhere in India, if you see historical monument, we can see the graffiti. We go. I showing you.
In India and everywhere.
Now is the 90% graffiti stop. 10% still people try to write things. 90% we are safe. 10% still active. So the king, when going this temple, the girl standing here, 1, 2, 3, 4. The girl stand there, they put the flower. King when is going inside. If you come tomorrow, I can arranging this. Definitely I am arranging.
I hope you're having fun watching this video. So whole day I'll try to vlog when he explains the things so that you can understand that what is the history behind the architecture, what is the history behind Hampi.